Hi, in front of me is Realme C55 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and holding one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. Now click on Select All at the top right corners. Click on some of your pictures that you wish to keep to exclude them. And last but not least, click on this bin icon at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!